You got 2 hands.
What? Antique fishing tackle, here we come.
We're not on.
Hey, wave to the camera.
Hey.
What's up, guys? It's the real.
Did you see that?
Real G's. We gonna go to this? There's a sale. Where's the tackle shop? As the sign said.
Wait. Yeah. I don't know.
A little bit of context. There's like a shoreline-wide garage sale going on, and there's a. Yeah, we're looking for some antique fishing tackle. Is Sten leading us?
What I like. Oh wait. You know I gotta stop the tiny library.
Yeah, tiny library. I see you.
You're not leaving one. No, I just want to look at the JFK files. Bro. Khrushchev did it. That's not polite to just say that. Well, it says so in the book.
Oh crap! I have to blur out the addresses of whatever I film. It's like I don't want to like have random ass people like showing up to other people's houses.
Well then, just like.
That's just more work. That's just more work post production. Whatever. Pass me. I friggin' hate you. It's friggin' midnight. I need sleep.
Just don't film it. Don't film it.
Yeah, but then having the sign in the video is important for context. You know, you gotta have a linear plot. You know, there's got to be a cohesive story in your, like like my videos. I don't like cut straight to the catch. You know, you gotta film an intro.
Of course.
Some music.
Throw a little bit of like.
Yeah.
Oh my God, biggest bastard.
Okay. The reality though is to increase watch time. That really is the whole point of it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Nope. Makes sense. Get that extra monetary value.
Yeah, my channel's not even monetized, so.
Yeah, it's because I keep swearing at the start of your videos.
Yeah, obviously, right. No, I cut out all my swearing. Dang. Right here, garage sale. This is it. Okay, GoPro's on.
This and that.
Oh. Guys, it's here. Trolling? Yeah, these old reels. My grandpa's couple of these. Look at this old fly reel. Probably gonna. Yeah, that's crazy.
Next to it.
Yeah,
$30. You're so friggin'. Yo, could we use this? Oh, it's parts. It's broken.
They all are. Mainly, most of them.
The ones that don't say parts are the ones that aren't broken.
It's weird to see fishing line like
Old and dying.
or even just like it's not made of nylon.
Yeah, this is just
Like this is made of fibers.
It's like ancient braid.
It's just really cool to see.
Yeah. Look at this. This is like this is like faux marble.
yeah.
Yeah, and it doesn't even turn. Guys, look at this. This reel, like it connects to the side. It connects to the side of the rod, not the side, like not under. Like it's connected to the side.
Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's kind of funky. There's more. That thing hasn't been oiled in a long time.
Yeah, you're right. It's like a yeah. It's weird. It's crazy.
Although it's broken.
Come on, Kenny, you can fix it.
Yeah.
With your
How?
extensive knowledge.
Yeah, with my extensive knowledge, fix a reel. Huh? These are headed reels. That's kind of cool. Like.
Oh, they're worth a lot more than just $10.
Holding it back is there's gunk in the meat.
Oh, so you can just like clean it up.
And you're holding it upside down.
Yeah.
You're holding up.
Oh, you can just look.
I know.
Yeah.
But if, oh, does it turn back?
You're not supposed to turn it the other way.
Okay. There you go.
Yeah, this is supposed to be a line guide that follows the worm gear. Like this one works.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Hey. There's a lot of very cool reels you got.
Trolling reels.
Yeah.
So I used to sell fishing gear. So I used to take a lot of people out fishing. So we used a lot of reels.
Yeah, well, it makes sense.
Just gonna do a little bit of trolling for salmon and stuff.
No, it's like, I don't know, just obtaining old antique stuff.
Still there? Oh, antique stuff?
You like to do?
Yeah.
There's antique stuff right there.
Right there.
Do you know what those are?
Sorry, sir.
These are like ancient fly reels.
They're called Knuckle busters, and they use them in Canada. And basically your drag is right here. You know, you'd be using it like this. And you're pushing down as the fish is going out. But a lot of people used to use fly line on there and stuff.
Oh, so this is supposed to be like...
That's the drag. And they call them knuckle busters because as you're trying to do all this stuff, you know, when you got a fish on, it'd be hitting your hand.
Oh.
But those are collector's items.
Guys, look at that. The drag, like it's metal on metal, so it's like
So it just
it just has
grinds.
yeah, it's just worn out right there.
Oh, that's crazy.
That's kind of cool. How much are these? These are the Haddon 409s. This one is $40.
Oh yeah.
Do you guys want to buy anything?
If I were to buy something, I'd want it to be something that I could use practically. That might be something that I would consider buying. Just
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. An ancient knuckle buster.
Yeah.
It's so loud. These like old like S-shaped handle knobs. I love these. This one's nice. I could get this and just like put it in my room. Look at the anti-reverse.
I can't get my.
Look at the anti-reverse.
Yeah, it kind of works.
At least it's not a single turn anti-reverse that like makes it go all the way back around. Yep. This has like, this is like probably like 10 pounds of drag. Not even. You know?
It's probably just not tightened.
No, it's tightened all the way.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah. This reel has seen some.
That's not very helpful. So yeah, it's probably just because it's been
So
well
old.
used. Yeah. Which is good.
Oh look, and you can like adjust the oscillating, the line lay. You can adjust the line lay. That's cool. Look at that gear ratio. Is this?
We're actually going to salmon. So you could even catch more.
It's an old hand trolling setup.
You don't really have too many.
I've never.
Alright, which knuckle buster should I get?
But I also don't want to miss school. I go with line on it.
One with line on it? But then it's like, does it? Because like this.
You're not going to use either of them.
I know.
It's just.
Yeah, I'm gonna like lube it up and whatever. Yeah, fishing challenge with a knuckle buster. Knuckle buster.
Yeah.
Do you know how to work that?
No, he just told us.
Oh, he told you.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
metal on metal drag.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's.
You guys go fishing?
Yeah.
Oh,
I like to fish.
around here?
Mm-hmm.
You get fish?
Yes.
You're about the only ones I've talked to for a long time that get fish out here.
Yeah. I mean, it depends on what you're fishing for and
I know it
what
does.
season, but you know.
I know. But you know, we've been here like since, well, before you guys were born, in 81. And there used to be so many boats out here, like,
Yeah.
you know, especially September to whatever, I don't know. Especially in the fall. But now, there's no boats, almost no boats.
Your chances are rockfish and not much else.
Yeah.
I assume it's like this way, because the thumb like goes like there, and my hands are like grimy now.
Don't you like? Oh no.
No, this is the like the line guide.
Yeah.
How are these functional in any way?
Well, if that's the line guide, wouldn't it be this way?
Oh, maybe.
So then,
Wait, but then how would then you would have to like
You got 2 hands.
What? I know, but like, wouldn't you like press down on like that?
You want to push up, right? Because if you want to cut the drag, you're going to want to push down on that to let it flow the line.
I know, but then when you reel, you have to constantly be pushing down. So you're like pushing in would actually increase the drag.
Sorry, I didn't hear that.
So I don't know.
How does that one look? Well, that's actually
This one,
a different setup.
This is a different. That's different.
This is.
And why are there 2 like eyelets? That's like funky. So which orientation do you like hold
Don't
this?
ask me. I'm not a fisherman. I hate fishing. It's way too boring. I want to be active all the time. I like crabbing because you're doing a lot.
Oh, just pulling up pots.
Yeah.
There you go.
You know,
That's something you can do out here still.
I don't.
The spring still works.
I would need them, yeah, but
The spring still works.
You know, they check the water and stuff, so. I don't know.
How much is this? Like $5?
just ask.
Yeah, because this is totally worth. This is cool. This is
It's just you can like set it up on your wall, make
Yeah.
a cool, like little fishing area. You know, it just looks good.
maybe like buy like crappy line and just put it on there and just like just kind of, or maybe keep the old line. Keep,
Had to.
yeah, this is a
You can't let go to that, can you?
no. This is cool.
Are you going to use it?
No, clean it, put it on my wall.
How much for that reel, that whatever they're called? How much?
Knuckle.
$10.
$10? All right. Wow, this is a cool bit of history, and now I gotta search it up on the internet and see.
Are you collecting reels?
No, I just like fishing in general, so there's a little bit of cool history.
Those are collector's items, those knuckle busters there.
Knuckle busters.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming by.
So this is a completed product. I opened it up, added some oil, shaved off a lot of the excess rust that was growing on the surface so it's all nice and smooth. I did put new line on it. I added duct tape to the surface of the drag so that it wouldn't erode any of the metal any further, because I'm not actually going to be using this. This is going to be on my wall. I will make a part 2 video on how I opened everything up and restored it. Please look forward to it. Thank you for watching. See you guys in part 2.